Hi there, this is George Kosch. I'm the CEO of Worldprofit. And here we are again. We're using AI to fill in the puzzle pieces for success online. Everybody needs a logo. I can't tell you how many times I've just wanted to redesign our Worldprofit logo or just change it up every now and then. Create sort of things like just something like badge sort of logos and all of this different stuff. It's just really neat how easy it is now with AI. And of course, Worldprofit has a solution for Silver and Platinum members now. So let's go take a look at this, and I'm going to show you some logos. You're going to love it. It's just so easy to use, which is part of this the new I guess the new vibe of these programs. They're so powerful. Click on AI and you can just scroll down to the logo designer. You can also find it on the left menu under Worldprofit AI. Let's build a modern logo. Let's do a logo for worldprofit.com. Okay, so a simple one, lots of color, and use a globe of the earth. Sure, that kind of thing. So it's going to create 3 logos, and you pick one and then continue from there. And again, you can do this as many times as you want. It's just absolutely cool. So we're going to refine. I really like these. This one's actually kind of nice because you could just put this one somewhere. Worldprofit.com. This one, actually, let's go refine that one. And again, say you're happy, you've got it the way you want it. You don't want that white background. You can make it transparent. You can add a shadow to it, make it circular, whatever you want. Bottom line is you can just download it. It'll go in your browser. And if you click up here, you can see logo.png. Watch how easy it is now. It's in my downloads folder, of course, where I've got all my stuff, which is really good downloads. So what I do is, what you can do is you can go back to the member area when you've downloaded what you want. And you can go into website management and click on image and ebook hosting. And this is the fun. You just say choose file. Let's choose that file, logo, and Worldprofit logo. Easy peasy. Now we have Worldprofit's logo. I click on the creative button to get that latest one up here, and you can test it. And there's the logo. It's very big. You can shrink it down. You can also take this image and go into the photo booth, load that up into the photo booth, and make edits to it also. So I know I'm just going to show you this quick. You just go into the photo booth in here, and you can upload a photo or an image if you want and do some modifications to it. I think that one of my upcoming things will be a really powerful image editing program where you can really go and make changes to any image in any way, shape, or form. Okay, but again, that's the logo builder, and enjoy. And if you have any questions that I missed, just fill out a support ticket. Be happy to help you. Thanks.